For many years, Pluto was known as the ninth planet of our solar system. It was small, far away, and different from the other planets, but it was still part of the family. Children learned its name in school, and people saw it on posters of the solar system. But in 2006, something shocking happened. Pluto was no longer a planet. Scientists decided that it did not meet the new definition of a planet. And just like that, Pluto was removed from the list. Many people were upset. It felt like Pluto had been unfairly kicked out. But what if things changed? What if Pluto became a planet again? If Pluto returned as a planet, it would be big news. Scientists, teachers, and space lovers around the world would have to update their knowledge. Textbooks would need to be rewritten, and school lessons would have to change. Museums and space exhibits would have to add Pluto back to their planetary displays. It would feel like an old friend had finally come home. But Pluto's return could lead to even bigger questions. If Pluto is a planet again, then what about other small worlds like Eris, Haumea, and Make? These icy objects, just like Pluto, are floating in the far reaches of our solar system. If Pluto is called a planet, maybe they should be too. That could mean our solar system doesn't have just 8 or 9 planets, but maybe 20, 50, or even more. Would we be ready for that? One thing is for sure. Pluto is an exciting place. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew past Pluto for the first time. It took pictures and sent back amazing discoveries. Scientists saw tall, icy mountains, deep valleys, and a giant heart-shaped glacier on its surface. They even found hints that Pluto might have an underground ocean. If Pluto became a planet again, space agencies might send more missions to explore it. Who knows what secrets this tiny world still holds? Even though Pluto's planetary status doesn't change life on Earth, it reminds us that science is always evolving. Pluto itself never changed. Only our way of classifying it did. Whether it is called a planet or a dwarf planet, Pluto remains one of the most fascinating worlds in our solar system. And maybe, just maybe, one day, Pluto will take back its place as the ninth planet, proving that science is full of surprises.